Greetings HootSuite users, I'm Luis Oscar Maimi from Senius Corp and HootSuite Certified Professional, HootSuite Solution Partner, HootSuite Ad Developer, and HootSuite Ambassador for Puerto Rico. In this video tutorial, I will explain to you the 6 ways that you can send messages using HootSuite. The first way to send a message is with the option Send Now. The Send Now option is the most basic option of HootSuite that allows you to send a message at the exact day and time where you press the button Send Now. Let's test it out with my test account. I'm going to paste this message which says message send with Send Now. Once I write the message, I click Send Now. If I refresh this stream, and as you can see, the message that I send is appearing in the send stream. The second option to send messages with HootSuite is by scheduling them. If you go to the compose message box and click scheduling, you will see these options. The scheduling options allows you to schedule a message to any day and time in the future. If you click the calendar here, you will see this calendar and this drop down menu 4 times. Let's test it out. I'm going to send this message on Tuesday, April 15, and I'm going to send it at 7:25 a.m. I'm going to write a message here, which is message schedule with HootSuite, and I'm going to send it to this Twitter account, and I click schedule. As you can see, this says message schedule. I'm going to refresh the tabs, and you see that that message is going to be scheduled at 7:25 a.m. on April 15, 2014. The third option to send messages with HootSuite is the auto scheduler. If you open the compose message box again and click the scheduling, you see there is an option that says auto schedule on and off. If you click here, it will turn on, and the auto scheduler will send your messages for optimal impact. Let's test it out and click here, add a message, which is auto schedule message, and we will click the button auto scheduled. Once we see this, we will go to the scheduled tweets and refresh that, and you will see that the auto scheduled message will be sent at 6:05 p.m. on April 9, 2014. The fourth option to send messages with HootSuite is by using the Hootlet. The Hootlet is a Chrome and Firefox extension that allow you to use the previous 3 options, which was Send Now, Schedule, and Auto Schedule, from any website that you visited. For example, if you are in the hootball.com blog, you can send this page to your HootSuite connected social networks by clicking the Hootlet icon here, and the Hootlet will automatically shorten the long URL of the page and add it as an outlet. You can schedule the message, you can send it now, or you can auto schedule. For this tutorial, I'm going to schedule the message for April 16, and I'm going to send it at 10:20 a.m. and I will schedule. As you can see, your message was scheduled. Let's go back to the HootSuite dashboard, and I'm going to refresh scheduled tweets. And you see the blog Hootblog is in here, and it will send at 10:20 a.m. on April 16. The fifth option to send messages with HootSuite is the Schedule in Bulk option. The Schedule in Bulk options allows you to send up to 350 messages simultaneously by creating a CSV file. The easiest way to bulk schedule is by using the Hootball app. If you go to the app directory here in the left sidebar and you type in the search Hootball, you will see our app. This app makes it easier to bulk schedule. You install it by clicking here, and you will get 2 streams, a sending bulk stream and a time sensitive stream. The difference is that the sending bulk stream allows you to send up to 31 days and 11 messages per day, but for a total of 341 messages at the times you select here. And the other stream is the time sensitive stream, which allows you to send up to 24 messages at the exact days and times that you select. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the time sensitive stream, and I'm going to bulk schedule 3 messages. I will click here and I'm going to write the first message in this compose message box, which is message number 1. I will select the day and I will select April 17, and I'm going to select in time, which will be 8:20 p.m. I'm going to send the second message here, message 2, and I'm going to select the day. I'm going to select April 18, and I'm going to add for 10 a.m. just for an example. And finally the third message here, message number 3, I'm going to select the day. It's going to select any day, April 28, just for example, and any time will do, 20 p.m. And once you write the messages, you can download the CSV. And if you want to add a link to a message, you just click here. You use http://football.com, and this URL will be shortened to Outlier automatically and will be sent with this message. Once you write the message, select the day, add a link if necessary, and select the time for each of the messages that you want to write. You click download CSV. And now I go back to the publisher, click schedule in bulk, and I'm going to select the file I just downloaded, which is this one. I will click open and I will submit that file, and I have successfully both scheduled 3 messages. If I go back to the scheduled tweet stream and I refresh that, you will see that I have message 1, message 2, and message 3 for the days and times that I selected. Okay, the last option is actually what I consider a secret option to send messages with HootSuite. If you go to the publisher, and let me filter for the account that we are using, which is this one, and as you can see, you normally see the list. But if you go here and change from list to week, you will see this. And I'm going to go ahead 1 week to see all the messages that I have scheduled. You can actually send any message you like to any of these empty columns. Just left click here. For example, if I'm going to send to April 16 and I want to send a message at 6 a.m. and click here. You need to see schedule here for this to work. If you see auto schedule, you need to cancel the auto scheduler. So let's write something, and once you write something, select the social network. It will schedule the message at that time you selected. Remember, for this to work, this button needs to say schedule. Once that, you click schedule, and that message will be sent at that day and time that you selected. Let's do this again. I'm going to send this on April 17 at 8 a.m. and I just write another message here, and I'm going to schedule it. And you see that's how easy it is. If you didn't want it to be at this time, you simply drag and drop it at the time you want. So let's say I'm going to send this at 12 p.m. You can simply drag it, and you can even drag them across days like this. For example, this message, and you can do it with any message that appears in the week. This was Luis Oscar Maimi from Cnews Corp, and if you have any questions, be sure to send me a message at cnews.com/contact or add a comment below, and I will be more than happy to help you out.